So who's in control of the conversation? The person asking the question. Like you said, you take control when you ask a question because you're telling the other person that they need to respond to you. So if I ask you, hey, how'd you like the game? And you tell me how you like the game, I've taken control. So it's neither here nor there. One person's doing it, the other. But just notice that little game too. It's like, do I need to take control? Do I need to steer them to talk about something else? Do I need to, so it's a way of being aware that sometimes maybe you do want to change the conversation if they're talking about something like how they like to run over cats or something. You're like, I don't really want to hear about this. But, but normally it's like, do I need to be in control? Are they being in control? Sometimes you'll have someone who's peppering you with questions because they don't really want to know you. So, interesting.